406 not acceptable error, what it means and how to fix it. When you use an online service or visit a website, your browser and the server need to understand each other. If they can't, you may see an error like 406 not acceptable. Unlike common errors like 200 OK or 404 not found, this one can be confusing. Let's break it down. What does 406 not acceptable mean? The 406 error code is an HTTP status code. It occurs when the server cannot generate a response in the format requested by the client's headers. Causes of 406 error: client-side causes, incorrect or strict accept headers, browser extensions or antivirus tools blocking headers, typos or malformed requests, unusual defaults from certain apps/tools. Server-side causes: misconfigured servers, Apache, and Jinx, backend logic errors, missing content formats or conversion ability. Security rules or firewalls are blocking unusual requests. How to fix 406 error, client side. Review what your browser/app is requesting. Request a more common format, like HTML or plain text. Remove strict content type preferences. Clear cache and cookies. Try a different browser or tool. How to fix 406 error, server side. Check server error logs. Ensure server supports the requested format. Review backend logic and app settings. Adjust firewall/security rules if they're too strict. The 406 not acceptable error happens when a client and server can't agree on a response format. In most cases, it's solved by adjusting request headers or clearing cache. If not, checking server logs and configuration will fix it. Now you know what this error means, why it occurs, and how to resolve it.